We are now starting chapter 3, which is graphing lines. What we need to know first is whether an equation is linear or nonlinear. And this is the foldable for section 3.1, just indicating whether a function is linear or nonlinear. So what I want you to do is go ahead and fold it over this way. And we have the standard form of the equation at the very front. And the equation says ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b and c have to be whole numbers. And we're looking at here is whether it's linear or not. This is the standard form of a line, so we're looking for a pattern that looks like this. This one would be linear, because you're looking at a, and then this b is just happens to be negative, and that's why they put minus. This one's nonlinear because of the squared. None of the x nor the y have a squared value to them. The next one, this is linear. And the reason that this is linear is because there is an x. There's a 0x right in front to have that same form of ax plus by is equal to c. The other one I want to bring your attention to is when you have something like 5x is equal to negative 2. If you have this, it's sort of the same situation. You could have 5x plus 0y is equal to negative 2, and it's still a line. It's still linear. On this side, we can't have them multiply together like this. Then this is nonlinear. Linear or nonlinear? This is linear, but it's not in the correct form. We need to fix it and put it in the correct form. And this is nonlinear, and what's the matter with it is that this x is in the denominator. So we'll look inside. We have first this equation that was on this side right here. This equation is already in standard form. Where you have the x and then the y is equal to a number c. I can see that the value of a is 3. The value of b is a negative 4. And c is a 9. This equation is already in standard form. That's when we call it when it has the ax plus by is equal to c. So usually what we have to do is make the a greater than or equal to 0. It can't have a and b both equal to 0, but it could have one or the other. A, b, and c are integers with the greatest common factor of 1. So what we're trying to make sure that we always have integers. So on this one, the a would be on the x, which I mentioned was 0. B is 5, because that's in front of the y. And c is the constant, the one that doesn't have the variable is negative 2. After multiplying the equation by 5, we'll know that it's in the correct form. So when we multiply by 5, don't forget we have to multiply everything by 5. That means this first term, and that cancels this one, and this second term, which cancels out this one. And then 8 times 5 is 40. So we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 40. I can see that the value of a is 2, the b is negative 3, that's with the y, and c, the constant, is 40. Moving to this side, this equation was not linear because of the squared. This one was not linear because the x and y are being multiplied. Because the x and y are multiplied multiplied together. This equation is not linear because of the division of the x.